The 2025 Honda Forza 125 brings together style, performance, and practicality in a way that makes it a standout choice in the world of scooters. Honda has fine-tuned the Forza 125 to meet the needs of urban riders who want a mix of agility and comfort, all while benefiting from Honda's trademark reliability and advanced technology. This model reflects Honda's commitment to maintaining the scooter's popularity with updates that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The Forza 125's design has a sleek and modern look, exuding a premium feel that makes it stand out on city streets. Its aerodynamic lines are not just for show, they also contribute to fuel efficiency by reducing wind resistance. The scooter's compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating crowded cityscapes, while its comfortable seat and ergonomic handlebar setup make it equally suitable for longer rides. The LED lighting system not only adds to its visual appeal but also improves visibility for both the rider and other road users, enhancing safety. Under the hood, the Forza 125 is powered by a refined 125cc engine that strikes a balance between performance and fuel economy. Honda's enhanced smart power technology optimizes the engine's power delivery, making the Forza 125 responsive and nimble, especially in stop-and-go traffic. The engine's fuel efficiency ensures fewer trips to the gas station, while still providing enough power for smooth acceleration and stable cruising at higher speeds. Combined with Honda's idling stop system, the Forza 125 becomes an eco-friendly choice, reducing fuel consumption and emissions when idling at traffic lights or in congestion. Honda has packed the Forza 125 with technology that makes each ride more convenient and enjoyable. The scooter comes equipped with a smart key system, which allows riders to start the engine, open the fuel cap, and access the under-seat storage without taking the key out of their pocket. Speaking of storage, the Forza 125 offers a spacious compartment under the seat, large enough to fit a full-face helmet and other essentials, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting. The addition of a USB port in the front compartment enables riders to charge their devices on the go, a feature that's especially useful for those who rely on GPS navigation or need to stay connected during their travels. Safety is a top priority with the Forza 125. It comes equipped with Honda's combined braking system CBS, which distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels, ensuring a balanced and controlled stop. This system is particularly helpful for new riders or in sudden braking situations. Additionally, Honda offers an optional anti-lock braking system ABS, further enhancing rider confidence and safety by preventing wheel lockup during hard braking or slippery conditions. Overall, the 2025 Honda Forza 125 is a fantastic blend of style, technology, and practicality. It's designed to cater to urban riders who demand efficiency and convenience, but don't want to compromise on style or performance. With its reliable engine, smart features, and sleek design, the Forza 125 remains one of the top choices in its class, continuing Honda's legacy of delivering dependable, well-rounded scooters that suit modern lifestyles. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely weekend ride, the Forza 125 is built to make every journey a pleasure.